Hey there, I'm your ForexGPT tutor, here to help you learn the Pro Terminal platform. Feel free to start the tutorial in the settings section and try the integrated AI chat, which is a separate chat interface in the bottom right corner. Please note that ForexGPT does not provide any investment advice, and trading involves risk. Ask me anything, and we'll explore together.
As of January 13th, 2026 at 17:0850 UTC, this is your Forex GPT analysis for Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen on the 4-hour chart. The most recent close price was 104.517 no. The sentiment score is 81.07, labeled as strong bullish. The AI-generated signal is to long with a confidence level of high. Suggested entry is 104.520 with a stop loss at 113.50 and take profit at 1166.00. The latest candle opened at 114.540, reached a high of 114.650, a low of 114.430, and the close was 114.5170. Don't forget to click the deeper AI dive link in your dashboard for full analysis. This action will consume tokens. Disclosure: Stephen Hatzakis, creator of this app, is employed